Hello, friends. Welcome back to our English practice video.
Today, we will practice a simple daily English conversation with your girlfriend.
Listen carefully and repeat after us.
Let's begin. I feel scared to speak English. My mouth feels tight. My words stop.
That's okay. Many people feel this way. You are safe here.
I know words in my head, but I cannot say them.
I understand. We will go very slow, one sentence at a time.
What if I make a mistake?
That's okay. Mistakes are good. Mistakes help you learn.
Really?
Yes, really. I am your friend here. Let's speak together.
Okay, I will try.
Hello, I am your girlfriend. I will help you speak English.
Hello, you are my girlfriend?
Yes, we talk every day. We speak English together. Simple greetings. Say this. Hi.
Hi.
Good. Say it again.
Hi.
Nice. Now say hello.
Hello.
Very good. Repeat after me slowly. Hello, my friend.
Hello, my friend.
Perfect. You sound good. Asking how someone is. Now say, how are you?
How are you?
Nice. I will answer. I am fine.
I am fine.
Good job. Say it again slowly.
I am fine.
Excellent. Now say, I am good.
I am good.
Both are correct. Very nice. Simple daily talk. Now say, how is your day?
How is your day?
Good. I will answer. My day is good.
My day is good.
Nice and clear. You are doing great. Let's practice together. I will ask, you answer. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I am fine.
How is your day?
My day is good.
Very good. Let's repeat again. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I am good.
Nice. You are speaking English. Morning talk. Now we talk like a girlfriend and boyfriend in the morning.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Did you sleep well?
Did you sleep well?
I will answer. Yes, I slept well.
Yes, I slept well.
Great. Now you ask me.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well. Thank you for asking. Talking about waking up.
Now we talk on the phone. I am calling you.
Okay.
Hello,
Hello.
it's me, your girlfriend.
Oh, hi.
How are you now?
I am good.
That's nice. I like to hear that.
I feel relaxed talking to you.
Good. English feels easy with practice. Let's make a plan.
Okay.
Say this. Let's go out.
Let's go out.
Nice. Say this. Let's meet today.
Let's meet today.
Good job. Now I ask you. Do you want to meet?
Yes, I want to meet.
Very good answer. Say this slowly. It is morning.
It is morning.
Good. Say this. It is afternoon.
It is afternoon.
Nice. Say this. It is evening.
It is evening.
Excellent. Let's practice together. Hello.
Hello.
Do you want to meet?
Yes, I want to meet.
When?
In the evening.
Perfect. Good morning, love.
Good morning.
How did you sleep?
I slept well.
That's good. I am happy.
I feel happy too.
Do you want tea?
Yes, I want tea.
Okay. I will make tea.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What are you doing now?
I am sitting.
Are you free?
Yes, I am free.
Let's talk in English.
Okay, I like that.
Your English is getting better.
Thank you. I feel more confident. I go to home.
That's okay. Let's say it slowly. I go home.
I go home.
Perfect. Very nice.
Thank you for helping me.
Always. I am here for you. Hi.
Hi.
How are you feeling today?
I feel good.
I am glad. Do you feel ready to speak English?
Yes, I feel ready.
That makes me happy.
I like speaking with you.
I like speaking with you too.
English feels easy now.
Yes, because you practice every day. Say this slowly. I am learning English.
I am learning English.
Good. Say this. I am not afraid.
I am not afraid.
Very good. Fear is going away.
Before, I was scared.
I know, but now you are strong.
Yes, I feel strong.
You should feel proud.